Hello everybody, this is an update to my FAI home security. I've had quite a few questions come in, and the last question has been about what is the AC or what is the charger pack for the unit. This is the one off my wall. It is an AC in and out unit. Alright, if you bring it up to the camera. It says 17 volts AC out 300 milliamps, right? And it looks like that. 17 volts AC out 300 milliamps. Of course, it comes with that end to go into the bottom of the unit. And that's what it looks like. It actually is a unit put out by the security guard people. Bring it up closer, you can stop the thing and print it. Hope you can print that. Anyway, this is the other thing that comes with your unit. You get two of these, and this is the on and off, and that's the panic button. You hold it for 5 seconds, the whole unit goes off. And this is what we had on the fridge when we came into the house 17 years ago. I hope you can read this. It tells you all the signals that show up on the front of the machine. So we've got low battery, plug the battery charger into the main system for at least 24 hours every 3 to 4 months. The LOU1, U8 radio key battery, flat 3 volt lithium every 3 years. And the LO, or the low, D2, D8, they're the small sensories. They're the units around your house. They have a flat battery. And the A1, there's been an alarm in one of the detectors. And P18, the radio key panic has been pressed. And SN, the siren cover, has been tampered with. Right? And I just activated that because I've just taken the sensor off the wall. Now, there's a thing to test a PRI, small sensor. You must stay out of the room that is covering. It is covering for 5 minutes before testing the sensor. Once you've been detected by the PIR, you will have to leave the room for another 5 minutes before it activated again. It will activate again. If you hear a high-pitched chirp every 30 seconds, this is indicated that the smoke detector battery needs replacing. It's the wrong chap, not the machine. Alright, that's the FIA sheet. It actually came with a magnet to go on the wall in the house. Now, folks, this is the unit. I've just taken it off the wall because there's another question people have asked me. Now, I've taken off these little covers at the front, and this is at least 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms of weight in this machine. It's very heavy. It's quite heavy. So when you unattach the screws on your wall, it will fall to the floor. You must support it as you take the screws out of the back of it, right? Now, so did you pick the covers off the outside edge? And someone had a question about the battery that I got. Well, this is the battery that I got. That's the whole unit. I hope you can see that. It's a bit blurry, I think. A bit blurry. So that's the whole unit. Now, this is the battery I bought in the year 2018 from Battery World. I took my other one down there and he just replaced it like for like. And this is a PS series battery. It's a PS 1232-12 volt 3.2 amp hours. 12 volt 3.2 amp hours Century battery, and you buy those at Battery World, right? And obviously I got mine in 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. But that's the battery, and that's the and I should measured that, I guess. But you can always take your machine off the wall and take the whole unit down to the shop. But that's the unit there, and it goes in like that. I'm not going to plug the other wire on just yet. But folks, when you take it off the wall, like I said, it will be heavy. So for the purpose of the demo, I'm going to turn it over and show you that on the back of your unit you should have one of these. The little clamp clip there, with wires coming out. You pinch the clip and you separate these two. There should be enough wire in your ceiling or on your roof so you can bring this down to your chest level and work on it. And then when you put it back up on the wall, you just shove the wires up your ceiling and proceed. But it is a heavy unit, and when all the screws were taken out of the unit, it was heavy, and it really should have had a screw in the back of this, and a second set of screws for holding the cover on. But that's another story for another day. Mine might have been installed correctly, but that's how it functions. So I've shown you the power pack, the 17 volt AC out 300 milliamps unit. I'm showing you the battery. I've shown you the unit itself. But folks, if you really, one person wrote to me and said they're thinking of ripping it out. Security is up to yourselves. This is what came in my house. But like, if you have seen a better system somewhere else and you're happy to try the other system out, well, why not? Have someone come around to your house, a security person, install something new, something more modern. This is a 1999 unit, installed in 1999. It's now 2020, the year 2020. So there's modern things now, and you can even have cameras in these things, I guess, now. So think about that. I hope that was informative. But that's the charger, and that's the unit, that's the battery, with the, you can't read that there, but anyway, you got the figure I gave you before. A PS 1232-12 volt 3.2 amp hours Century PS battery fitted the system. Alright, thank you.